The number one said that we should find the median from the box plot drawn. So what answer did you get as your median?
17 minutes.
17 minutes. Hold on, let me change this pen. Okay, so 17 minutes is correct. So the median is here, which is exactly 17. So your answer is correct. We give it 2 marks. Let's go to number 2. What did you get?
27 minutes.
They say, what is the minimum number? So the minimum number is here. Okay, let's evaluate it. Here is 25, 26, 27, 28. So 27 is not correct. Okay, so the right answer is 28. 28, yeah. So because 25 is the bold line, 26, 27, 28. So minimum is 28. Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right. We go to the next
How many
one.
marks in each question?
Each one is 2 marks.
Okay.
All right. So this one, number 3. Number 3, what is your answer? You say, what is the maximum commute time in minutes?
74 minutes.
74 minutes. So 74 is exactly, the maximum is exactly here, which is 1 line before 75. So your answer is correct. Okay, very accurate. That is the maximum commute time. Let's go to number 4. The question has asked, what is the lower quartile? What do you think about the lower quartile?
16 marks.
16?
Yeah.
Marks. Okay, let's find out. Lower quartile is the starting point of the rectangular box. So that is here. So let's find out. Here is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 marks is correct. Give it 2 marks. Let's go to number 5. Okay, what do you have? And the question asks, what is the upper quartile? What did you get?
29.
29 marks. Okay, upper quartile is the ending point, ending line of the rectangular box. So we can't. Okay, 1 line below 30 is 29. So your answer is also correct. You give it 2 marks. Let's go to number 6. What do you have to say? It asked, what is the range of times spent in the waiting room?
58 minutes.
Say it again.
58 minutes.
8 minutes. Okay. Range is given by the formula highest maximum number minus lowest number. So the highest number here is going to be a line above 85, which is 86. Okay. Then why the minimum value here is this place, which is 26, 27, 28. So the minimum value is 28. We are now going to subtract 86 minus 28 to get the actual value of the range. 86 minus 28 is 58. So your answer is accurate. You give it 2 marks. It is 58. All right. We move to number 7. What do you have to say about number 7? It asks, what is the interquartile range of the time spent in the waiting room?
37 minutes.
37 minutes. Interquartile range is given by the formula of upper quartile minus lower quartile. The upper quartile is here, the highest value on the last line on the rectangular box. So which 1 line above it is 71. So upper quartile is 71 minus the lower quartile is a line before 35, which means 34. So that is 34. That should give us our interquartile range. All right, let's now calculate 71 minus 34 is 37. You are on point. Okay, that is 2 marks, accurate.
Okay.
All right, next one says that we should do, that should be number 8, and we are asked to find express the minimum length as a percentage of the maximum length. So what did you get?
20%.
20%. So let's find it. The minimum length here is 10. So we have it as 10 over the maximum length is 50. So over 50, we put it as a percentage, multiplying by 100 over 1. So 0 we cancel 0, 5 we cancel 10 to give us 2. Into 0 is this. So 1 times 20 will give us exactly 20% as you got it. So give it 2 marks. That is accurate. Let's go to number 9. So here the question has asked that we should find the percentage of fish. What percentage of fish we are longer than 60 inches? What do you have as your answer?
I got 50%.
50%. Okay, it's also correct. 50% is correct. Okay, that means you got 8 out of 9. Only the second question is what you narrowly missed. Okay?
Yes, 50 marks.
Yeah, oh, sorry. 2 marks. That is going to be 16 over 18. 16 out of 18. So 16 out of 18 is going to give us exactly 89%. So you got here 89%, almost 90%, and that is a very fantastic work. All right. This explains how we can read box plot, finding median, finding upper quartile, finding lower quartile, finding the maximum value, finding the minimum value, finding the range, and even converting the answers to percentages. I think you did a very noble work here. And on this note, we will stop here and know that we just worked on what we learned last time, which is box plot, and your percentage proved that you understood the concept and the reading of box plot. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, we stop here. Good night to you.
Good night.
Bye.